Hello YouTube. Chestek's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about the service cannot accept a control message at this time, which is error 1061. So this problem may occur on your Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows operating system. So let's start on how we can fix this error problem. So to fix this problem, click here the search icon and type here services. Here the services, then open it. So after the service open, then search for application information, which will be here on the first line. So select here the application information, then right click on it and select properties. Then after that, if the startup type is manual, then click here the arrow and select it into automatic. Then after that, and click here apply, then select here OK. So here the startup type is changed into automatic and it's running. Then also search for credential manager. So scroll down and search for credential manager. Here the credential manager, again it's manual, so right click on it and select properties. Then after that, go here and select automatic. Then select here apply. Then select here OK. And here the credential manager also changed into automatic and it's running. So after all you do this, go here on the top and click here restart service. Then close your service section. So this will help you to solve the error 1061, which is the service cannot accept control message at this time. So after you do this, restart your computer. So this is all about how you can fix the error 1061. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Check out.